Just don't look at it and don't
No.
make them crazy. You're just trying to be your job.
I don't make that. I don't think that me interacting with them has any bearing on if they're crazy or not.
See, everybody, well, let's see if everybody opens it with them.
Hi everybody, Pink Camera Magic here. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to highlight a video from the young man that I actually just recently put a video out about, who was outside of a Rochester government building, and he was taking some videos and was detained because they thought he could potentially be a terrorist. I don't know about that. But anyways, I know it's a little bit older, but this is somewhat of a call to action. So he was recording outside of the government center in Rochester, and he was actually taking pictures. He's not an auditor or anything like that. But I have a feeling that after doing that, he sort of, wanted to dive in a little bit more into the arena of First Amendment auditing and testing the government. So him and his mother, bless her heart, they decided to go through a checkpoint. So this is the video highlighting that. And the reason I'm highlighting this video is because this is actually the last type of auditing video that he has on his channel. So what I'm hoping is that you guys will go over to his channel, which of course I'm going to link in the description and in a pinned comment here. I want you to go to his channel and encourage him to get out there and start doing some more recording. One, because I think he's really good at it. He actually does have a knack. He knows his stuff. And two, because I think that Rochester and that area of Minnesota really could use somebody that's out there in promoting transparency and accountability within their government, especially with the police department. So without further ado, guys, check this out.
Got a few cars ahead of us. Maybe I'll just trim the front. The guy in front of me, he's got the thing on top, and then that guy behind us is like another big truck with a bunch of crap in his back.
The dog's looking. So the little silver car over there is University of Arizona. The guy in front of us is ASU.
Yeah, like, where are we exactly? We're still on 8, right?
Yeah, we're on 8.
I've probably seen videos of this same checkpoint.
Oh, it's always here and it's always open.
It's kind of cool. They got like mesh and stuff on the side there.
Yeah.
It's not even moving.
A lot of people carry bicycles on vacation.
I think that's what the guy behind us has, is a bunch of bikes.
Should have went in the other lane. He's moving a lot faster.
Yeah. Yeah, it is. I don't think that the camera can see out that side. It sees a decent amount on the left then. And I'm pretty dark because it's so bright.
All greens.
It's another guy with a bunch of bikes.
Kia Forte. What the heck?
Hopefully I won't take a minute, but whatever. Here we go.
Are you a citizen, sir?
I don't answer questions.
Yes.
Oh, come on, sir. Really?
Yes.
You forgot what
Really?
is it?
I don't answer questions.
What?
I don't answer questions.
Sir?
I don't answer questions.
Why not, sir?
I don't answer questions.
You don't answer questions? Why not?
I'm pretty sure that's a question.
I'm sorry, sir?
I'm pretty sure that's a question.
Right? Are you proud of being American, sir?
I don't answer questions.
Why not?
Because I don't answer them.
Oh, sir, come on, sir. Why we gotta start doing this, sir?
I'm not doing anything.
I'm sorry, sir?
I'm not doing anything.
No? Did you say you're a U.S. citizen, sir?
I don't answer questions.
Why not, sir?
That sounds like a question.
I gotta click this. So everything's gonna be a question pretty much then, huh?
Oh,
Right?
is it?
I'm sorry?
Is it?
Pretty much. But it might be, you know?
Oh, okay.
It might be, yeah.
Well, you can ask it.
Excuse me?
You can ask.
I'm asking you, but you're not answering me.
Yeah.
Why not, sir?
That's a question.
I'm sorry, sir?
That's a question.
That's a question. Come on.
I like him. He's got a sense of humor.
That sounded very condescending to me. Don't be fooled, guys. They are not your friends.
No, not an hour. They can detain us. Yeah, that's fine. They can look all they want. That's fine. You just kind of left. It's fine.
You want to just run if you don't want to answer any questions,
Yeah.
just pull over there,
No, thank you.
and then.
Am I being detained?
So you're gonna block traffic. You're gonna cause a traffic hazard by
Oh no,
blocking it.
I'd love to go on my way.
I'd love for you to pull over there.
I don't think so.
Okay. So you're obviously just trying to cause a problem.
No, I'm just trying to go down the road. Yeah, I'll put it in park if you like. That's fine. I'm just trying to go on my way. So, am I being detained?
What's that?
Am I being detained?
Well, you don't want to pull over there, and you're causing a traffic hazard. So.
I'd just like to drive down the road.
Where's the...
All right.
Drive on your way.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day. You gotta relax now.